Welcome to another day of Wings Day where we feature graduation event. Today is not the typical initial class graduation, but it is here tonight. Today we will show you a PURSER's graduation here in Philippine Airlines. You might be wondering, bakit kailangan pa may PURSER graduation? Nag-graduate na sila bilang isang cabin crew way back. That's because a PURSER's training is different. They are taught to be, they're molded to be leaders, to be decision makers, to be the commanders in the cabin. So they play a major role already. They'll be playing a major role from today, and for them to earn that, for them to earn it, they will have to go through training. All right, and this training is intensive. It's just like initial class, except it's a PURSER. It's a training for PURSER, and today you're gonna witness it as we're gonna attend the PURSER graduation, the graduation of PURSER batch SCCT or Senior Cabin Crew Training 1901.
Now, without further ado, let us welcome our graduates while being serenaded by our very own flight attendant, April Ramos.
Now as we don the gray, and we are tasked to blow the trumpet, we are now the trumpet blowers. As we assume this new role, we take the lead. We will now motivate, inspire, and encourage. Polaris, beginning tonight, I will not just be your president. I will double as your music director. I will strive to make sure that all 15 trumpets will be in perfect unison.
Is it safe for me to say good flight pursers? Is it safe for me to say that? Or yes, of course. And let's go for more. Let's do more than good. Of course. Great. Let's go for great. Sure. When? As you now progress, as you start flying day after tomorrow, you will now truly have to resonate what Polaris really is. You have to be that. The humble star, the inspiration, the guiding star, the beacon of inspiration of so many. Truly, sometimes in your position, it could be difficult to be humble. But that's what Polaris is all about. In spite of the importance of your role. So, Polaris Alpha Lumina, as you now take your first solo flight, I will be there. From the wings, watching you, cheering you. Us here on the ground are all here to support you. We are all here. As long as you have to tell us what is going on. You are the only connection that we have in what is going on in flight. So let us know. Let your CSMs know. Let your mother unit know. Call us, talk to us, and tell me stories. I will be I'll be so happy to hear from you. On your first solo flight, I wish you all the best. And Again, my huge congratulations to all of you. I love you all. And thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Another 1902 here, and this is
Hi, I'm Pia from
Pia
1902.
from 1902. Excited ka na ba sa May 24?
Very excited na I can feel it.
Feel mo na umakyat doon.
Opo, sir, ang ganda ng stage.
Feel mo na yung ilalagyan ka na ng pin, tapos mabuhay ka na rin.
But still, kailangan pa rin mag-work hard. Pero malapit na.
Anong part na kayo ng training?
Malapit na kami. Sa mga dry runs for economy. Pero malapit na check ride.
Check ride.
Yes, yun talaga, sir.
Yan talaga yung pinaka...
Super nakakaba. Pero yun na yung final.
Yan na talaga yung final na before you get up that stage.
Yes, sir.
And you're waiting for that moment. Excited ka na rin mabase sa Cebu?
Yes, very much excited. Para
Mabase
new
sa Cebu.
environment. And then, mga Bisaya, kasi Bisaya ako.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah, pero
But,
from Cagayan de Oro.
not from Cebu.
Yes.
Pero mag-enjoy ka doon.
Oh, yeah. For
Ang dami nga ayaw na umalis doon eh.
Ayun, sige.
Ayaw. Gusto nila doon eh. Masaya eh. So anyway, this is Jen, and she's also from 1902. And makita niyo siya soon also get her wings. Ewan ko lang kung maging valedictorian, salutatorian, first honor, second honor.
Yes.
Alright,
Bye-bye.
so we'll see you around again.